Hello everyone, this is just an ad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Ring indoor cam. This is the plug-in version. So here's everything that comes in the box. Here's the actual Ring camera. We do have a thing you're going to plug in, and it comes with a cable. Now the cable, the other end of it is micro USB, and this end is USB-A, which you're going to plug in right here. And then this one, right down that long area, you got to, it will only go one way. So line it up like the half moon, push it in until it's flush. Now there is a QR code you're going to be scanning with your phone whenever you go to set it up. Now it does have a privacy setting. So if you want to turn the privacy setting, you just turn this to the lock position. It's like a little, it covers it. And then you open it up, either side. You can set it on the counter. You can point it up. You can really have a lot of different areas you can point this at. So you can put this on the wall. You know, you can even get it at a 90-degree angle by rotating it. Again, lots and lots of different positions you can put this in. Now this is a wall bracket. Look at the word up and then push down. Okay. And then you can mount this with 2 screws that it comes with. Mount this to the wall. And you want to find these 2 top hooks go into this big area right here. So start out below it and then rotate it up, and it kind of snaps into place. No security screws or anything, no battery. It's just powered all the time from this outlet. You can plug this into 100, 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, 0.3 amps. Output is 5 volts, 1.5 amp for 7.5 watts. So the cord is 80 inches long, which is about 6.5 feet. And you're going to plug it in again. Now let's set it up in our Ring app. The blue light comes on after a little bit. Click on Set Up New Device, Security Cams. Okay, it's going to ask permissions to turn your camera on, and you're going to scan that QR code with your camera. Now you want to tell it where it is. Give it a name. Now the name is pretty important, because if you have Alexa devices and you want to say, show me this certain camera, make sure it's in like a name or a room that you can remember really easy. Okay, so it's going to connect. You click on a bunch.
Now connected to the Ring app.
Give it the Wi-Fi password.
Wi-Fi. Just a moment.
If you already have a Ring account, it'll know the password for your Wi-Fi. All right, looks like setup was successful.
This may take several minutes.
Okay, it's got an update. It could take a while. I'll let you know how long it takes. But you got to keep your phone open on the app and just kind of wait. That light's going to flash. Okay, the update takes about 10 minutes, and it never tells you that it's done. You just keep clicking on it, and you're not able to do live view. But eventually it does finish, and now it's working.
Okay, the update.
Okay, so it has a really wide view. There's the live view. You can see it's a very clear video. It does have a built-in speaker. I can speak to it through, and it records the sound if I want it to also. I've got motion detection off, that top one, but that's on by default. We have motion alerts, motion warning. It even has a siren. Let me play the siren real quick. I really do like this Ring indoor camera. It is so small. I love the privacy window. Makes a sound when you turn it on privacy. Okay, makes a sound when you undo it. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.